awards that weren't necessarily.
Sean Lee is a law student and a clerk for Judge Pat Joyce. He is also a Persian Gulf War veteran with a diagnosis of post-traumatic stress disorder and epilepsy.
Part of the reason I came to law school was to defend the men that I served with overseas.
Lee says combat veterans often come home with new emotional problems that sometimes get them into legal trouble. Building on the success of the state's drug and alcohol court alternative treatment programs, lawmakers authorized a special court for veterans. It will get them into VA treatment rather than send them to jail. Judge Pat Joyce says candidates will be screened to determine whether the problems are in fact a result of their service.
Did they have these problems before they went to the service? What happened during the service to them that might be causing this kind of behavior?
In most cases, a criminal conviction has marked the end of a career in the Missouri National Guard. But the Guard is on board with the Veterans Court concept and says some citizen soldiers who might once have been cut loose now might be salvaged.
And certainly it would be a case-by-case selection, but there are certain situations where there could be a second chance depending on the offense.
Sean Lee is also working to expand the Puppies for Parole program in the Missouri Department of Corrections to provide service dogs for military veterans. He says he recognized the value of service dogs when the drugs he was taking to treat his PTSD left him non-functional. When he learned that the wait for a service dog averaged about 3 years and the cost was about $25,000, he turned to Puppies for Parole.
Let's be frank, the person who needs this dog the most doesn't have 3 years, and they don't have that kind of money.